Hi, I'm Tash, and today I'm here with part 5 of the Raise Room Geothrow video series, covering all the technical bits included in this pattern. If you don't already have the pattern but you fancy giving this one a go, just head to raiseroom.co.uk or the Raise Room TikTok shop where you'll find the pattern. So we are now at the point where we've finished all 12 blocks and we're adding our edging. So the pattern's going to confirm the finer details with regards to colours and how to have your blanket laid out so that you're adding your edging in the right place. And we are going to get a slip knot on our hook. And the first row of edging is double crochets just all the way along this edge. But because we're not going directly into the top of stitches, I'm just going to highlight here where you're aiming to crochet into. So you're kind of working along the edges of stitches and into the ends of stitches. Starting out in this very far corner here. And then for every square that we're working along, we want to space out 3 double crochets evenly. So one here, one here, one here, and then one here, one here, one here, and just working your way along these little squares along the edge of your block. And each time you're aiming to pick up 2 strands of whatever it is that you're crocheting into. So starting here in this far corner with a slip knot on our hook, we are going to go under 2 strands in that very far corner there. And we're doing double crochets here, which is in UK terminology. So we're just going to hook that yarn through. So we've got 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Then making our way along the edge of this stitch, we just want to space out another 2 double crochets. So I'm going to put one here, just picking up 2 strands, as you can see. And then hook that through to the front. So we've got 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and then another one just here. So I've just worked my way along the edge of that stitch. I've picked up those 2 strands, and this will be the last one for this little square. Now we've got 3 lined up neatly, as you can see. Then we're going to move on to the next square. And we're just going to do our best to get under 2 strands of the end of here. So you don't want to go around the post of a stitch or around the whole entire chain, but you just want to pick up 2 strands of whatever you can get into just here and here and here. So as you can see, I've just picked up 2 strands here for a double crochet, and then the next bit along I'm going to pick up 2 strands. And again, I'm just spacing these double crochets out so you get 3 for every square of the edge of your throw. And because the angle of the stitches changes along the edge of your throw, where you're crocheting into does alternate as you make your way along the squares. So sometimes you'll be picking up 2 strands of the edge of a stitch, sometimes you'll be picking up 2 strands of a chain. But if you can stick to the rule that you pick up 2 strands of wherever you're going into, and that you evenly space out 3 per square, you will get a nice even edge and a nice neat edge that lays flat. So now you just need to make your way along all the way to the other end, and I'm going to do the same, and we'll meet back here when we're ready for row 2. So that's now row 1 of the edging complete. We've made our way all the way to the other end, and we are now here where we will have placed our last double crochet in the very far corner just here. And now we need to turn our work so that we can work back in the other direction. This row is a lot less fiddly as we are just working 1 half treble crochet into the top, so under both loops of every double crochet from the row below. Starting off with a chain of 2, and then we're going straight in for a double crochet into the top of the next stitch along. And we're just going to make our way along into the top of each stitch like that. So that's just 1 half treble into the top of every double crochet from the row below. So as you can start to see here, the combination of those 2 rows of stitches together is starting to give you a really nice neat trim to the edge of your throw. So I'll slow that down a bit for you. For a half treble crochet, we want a yarn over. We're popping our stitch into the top of both strands of the top of the double crochet from the row below. We're going to hook the yarn, bring it through so you've got 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. And then the same again. And that's it. You're going to work that all the way to the other end, then do the same on the opposite edge of your throw, and I will see you back here for our final video of the series, video 6, which is all about the tassels. Please let us know in the comments how your geothrow is coming along. Make sure to hit follow so you don't miss out on any other crafty content like this. And for further help and support with this pattern and lots more, head over to the Raise Room Crafters community Facebook group and hit us with your questions. You can also ask questions or tell me if you found this useful in the comments, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time for adding tassels to our geothrows.